How to check Instagram call history. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to check your Instagram's call history. So if you guys talk often on your Instagram with your friends and call them on Instagram, you might want to check your call history. So in order to do that, just follow these simple steps. First thing first, open up your Instagram app, and once you do that, just head over to your messages section right here. But before we go any further, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new updates. Let's begin again. So from here, what you want to do is select the chat that you want to see your call history from or the person. And from here, if you scroll up, here you will see all of your calls that have been made in the past. And as you can see here, you will see all of the audio calls here, but there is no active way to see all of your call history at once here. You just have to tap on their profile and then scroll up to see when you have called them. But in some cases, what you can see is on top of the screen right here, you will get a camera icon. If you tap on it, you might be able to see all of your call history at once. So that is it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.